The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hubbard County, southeastern Mahnomen County in northwestern Minnesota, northeastern Becker County in northwestern Minnesota, southern Clearwater County in northwestern Minnesota, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over mainly rural areas of Clearwater and Hubbard, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Park Rapids, Bad Medicine Lake, Lake George, Nituwash, Tullaby Lake, Many Point Lake, and Royal Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If on a lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm.